Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says select the incorrect order for given property. So the first order is for the thermal stability, that is LiH is greater than NaH is greater than KH is greater than RBH. Okay. Second is for the covalent character, that is CS2CO3 is greater than CaCO3 is greater than K2CO3. The third one is BeCO3 is greater than MgCO3 is greater than CaCO3. This is for the ease of oxide formation on heating at same temperature. And the last one is BeF2 is greater than MgF2 is greater than CaF2 is greater than SrF2 is for the solubility in water. So these are the order and for the different properties, and we have to tell that which one is the incorrect. So here the key concept is periodic properties. So पहला देखते हैं, ठीक है, periodic properties में thermal stability, ठीक है, thermal stability. तो thermal stability क्या होता है? As we go down the group, in group first, the atomic number increases and the size increases as the atomic number increases. So the bond dissociation energy between elements and hydrogen will decrease. So it requires less energy to decompose. Hence, the thermal stability also decreases. So as we go down the group, ग्रुप 1 में अगर हम डाउन द ग्रुप जाएंगे, ठीक है, तो डाउन द ग्रुप क्या हो रहा है? एटॉमिक नंबर इंक्रीज कर रहा है, सो साइज भी क्या हो रही है? इंक्रीज हो रही है. एंड ड्यू टू द इंक्रीज इन साइज एंड बिकॉज द हाइड्राइड आयंस आर द स्मॉल आयंस, सो हियर वी आर टेकिंग द ऑर्डर फॉर द hydrides. So NaH, KH and RBH. So hydride ions are the small ions, and as we go down the group, they form the stable compound. The hydride ions form the stable compound with the small lithium ions. ठीक है, तो यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा जो stable compound बनेगा वो lithium ion के साथ बनेगा, क्योंकि इसकी साइज जो है वो छोटी है. ठीक है, इसकी साइज जो है वो छोटी है. So as we move down the group, the size will increase, and also the bond dissociation energy between the elements and the hydrogen will decrease, because as the size increase, the bond dissociation energy जो होगी element and hydrogen की वो decrease होगी, and hence it will require less energy to decompose, and hence the thermal stability also decrease. The correct order for the thermal stability is LiH will be more stable than NaH, and NaH is more stable than KH. KH is more stable than RBH. This is the order for the correct order for the thermal stability. So the first option is correct, because due to the increase in size, the thermal stability decreases as we move down the group. Now the second one is for the covalent character. ठीक है, तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन में अगर हम देखें तो यहाँ हमें दो ग्रुप्स को कंपेयर करना होगा, बिकॉज एज वी कैन सी here is CS2CO3, CaCO3 and K2CO3. So K2CO3 and CS2CO3, these are the carbonates of the group first, but CaCO3 is the carbonate of the group second, that is alkaline earth metal. So here covalent character of carbonates, covalent character of carbonates decreases along the group and increases across the period. So uh, this is the property of covalent character of carbonate, which when we go down the group it will decrease, and when we go across the period it will increase. So it will decrease uh, down the group due to the increase in atomic size. So decrease down the group due to increase in एटॉमिक साइज. सो यहाँ पर हमारा ऑर्डर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अगर हम ग्रुप फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को देखें तो यहाँ हमारा ऑर्डर हो जाएगा Li2CO3 is greater than Na2CO3 is greater than K2CO3 is greater than Rb2CO3 is greater than CS2CO3. So this is the order for the group first elements, the carbonates of the group first elements. ठीक है. So as we go down the group, the atomic size increases, hence the covalent character of carbonates decreases. So question में given है, ठीक है, question में given है only K2CO3 and CS2CO3. तो यहाँ से हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि जो हमारा K2CO3 है it is more covalent than CS2CO3 as we can see in the question. ठीक है, K2CO3 is more covalent than CS2CO3. So ये तो हमारा incorrect है order. ठीक है, this is the wrong one. But we will see the CaCO3 too. So as we know that covalent character increases across the period. So first compounds are less covalent than group second compounds. ठीक है, so group first compound जो होते हैं they are less covalent than group second compounds when adjacent metals on the same periods are compared. For example, यहाँ पर अगर हम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ग्रुप का लें that is K and Ca, तो यहाँ Ca will be more covalent than K, that is calcium will be more covalent than potassium because across the period the covalent character of carbonates increases. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा हमारा ऑर्डर, इट मीन्स कि जो CaCO3 है it will be more covalent than K2CO3 because across the period covalent character of carbonate increases. So from this two we can get our order, that is the final order is CaCO3 is greater than K2CO3 is greater than CS2CO3. ठीक है, यहाँ पर ये हमारा ऑर्डर इनकरेक्ट है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज इनकरेक्ट. क्वेश्चन में हमसे इनकरेक्ट ऑर्डर ही पूछ रहा था, सो दिस विल बी आवर आंसर. ओके. This will be our answer, as this is one is the incorrect order. Now the third one is ease of oxide formation on heating at same temperature. C में देखें, so as we go down the group from top to bottom, in group second, what happens? Atomic size increases. Atomic size increases. So less sized elements carbonates are less sized element carbonates are easily decomposed into oxides and CO2. So as we go down the group, atomic size increases. Hence जो less size के जो लेस साइज एलिमेंट कार्बोनेट्स होते हैं वो इजीली डिकम्पोज हो जाएंगे इनटू ऑक्साइड्स एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हेंस द करेक्ट ऑर्डर इज BeCO3, MgCO3 is greater than CaCO3. So this is the order for ease of oxide formation on heating at same temperature. So this order is correct. ठीक है, तो ये भी हमारा करेक्ट है. नाउ द लास्ट वन इज solubility in water. So in the last one, as we move down the group, ठीक है, the order is for BeF2, MgF2, CaF2 and SrF2. So as we move down the group into the alkaline earth metal fluorides, ठीक है, तो alkaline earth metal fluorides का हम ऑर्डर देख रहे हैं. BeF2, MgF2, CaF2, SrF2 and BaF2. So as we move down the group, the solubility decreases. Solubility decreases. Why? Because as we move down the group, atomic size increases. So due to the increase in atomic size, hydration energy decreases. Hydration energy decreases. So as we move down the group, hydration energy decreases because there is an increase in atomic size and hence the solubility decreases. Okay, so the order for the alkaline earth metal fluoride is BeF2, MgF2, then CaF2, SrF2 and then BaF2. So in BeF2 it has the smallest size, ठीक है, smallest size, because as we move down the group the atomic size increases. So BeF2 has the smallest size, this is the smallest, that is Be plus 2 is the small ion, ठीक है. So atomic size increases, also the cationic size also increases. So the smallest size cationic size is of Be plus 2. So the BeF2 is the most soluble in water. So solubility, the most solubility is of BeF2 because it has the smallest size, and due to the smallest size, the hydration energy is the highest for BeF2, and hence the solubility is the highest. Okay, so this order is also correct. Now, so as we can see, the incorrect order is for the covalent character, that is B. So the final answer is B. Hope you understand it well. Best of luck.